drowning in a sea of leads with no clear way to keep track. Today, we're going to show you how to set up automatic contact syncing into Follow-Up Boss, so you never miss a follow-up opportunity. First, let's explore direct integrations. Many platforms integrate directly with Follow-Up Boss. Go to your Follow-Up Boss settings and look for the Integrations tab. Here, you'll find a list of supported platforms like Zillow, Realtor.com, and Facebook Lead Ads. Clicking on the integration will provide step-by-step instructions to connect your accounts. Follow these instructions carefully to authorize the data flow. Next, we will explore using a service like Zapier for platforms without direct integrations. Zapier acts as a bridge, connecting thousands of apps. Create a Zapier account if you don't already have one, and log in. Click on Create Zap and choose the app where your contacts originate as the trigger, such as Google Sheets or a specific CRM. Then select Follow-Up Boss as the action app. You'll need to connect your accounts by providing the necessary API keys or credentials. Zapier will guide you through this process. Map the fields from your trigger app to the corresponding fields in Follow-Up Boss, ensuring the correct information is transferred. Finally, test your Zap to ensure the data transfer is working correctly, then turn it on. Now, any new contact added to your trigger app will automatically create a contact in Follow-Up Boss. By implementing these automated contact syncing methods, you can keep your Follow-Up Boss system up to date. This will boost your efficiency, improve your follow-up rate, and ultimately, close more deals.